Let's add some everyday olive oil, a couple tablespoons, to my hot pan. I think it's hot. I'm going to add 2 pork chops. I'm making pork chops today. I love to make pork chops. They're easy. I have a whole section on my channel of just pork chop recipes. So we'll let these cook for a couple minutes. They are just the normal thickness, you know, not thin, not thick. These have cooked for about 2 minutes. Let's turn them over. These have cooked another minute and a half. My pan is on medium heat. I'm going to take these out, set them aside. They will continue cooking a little bit on their own. I'm going to add, it's about 1.5 cups of grapes, red grapes, that I washed off. The grapes have cooked about 2 minutes. I'm going to take them out. They cooked maybe 2 minutes, 15 seconds. You want to kind of shake the pan, move them around, get them kind of blistered. And we'll add them to our cooked pork chops over here on the side. I'm going to turn the heat down just a bit to medium low. I'm going to add shallot, 1 shallot. One garlic. I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of flour. And instead of doing this, you could have put flour onto the pork chops. And 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme. Move this around real quick. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of wine. It's white wine. This will deglaze the pan, give a great, awesome flavor to go with the grapes and the pork chops. It doesn't take long at all for it to disappear. I'm going to add some chicken broth. Added about 3/4 cup fully salted chicken broth. And we'll let this come up to a bubble. The sauce has been going about 2 minutes, and don't worry, all these darker pieces are not like burnt garlic or anything, or burnt onions. It's part of the grapes. We'll add 2 teaspoons of a grainy mustard. Stir that in. Goes wonderful with the grapes. And I'm going to put in a tablespoon of butter. I'm going to turn the heat off. Stir in the butter. As soon as the butter melts, I will add this all back in. We'll add our grapes and our chops back in. And cover with a lid and let this sit for 5 minutes. Then we're ready to serve. Both of these pork chops will be for me. One for now and one for later. It's quite nice, especially if you like grapes. So thank you so much for watching.